Hey, it's Dr. Kevin, author of the Hypothyroid Diet. Today I'm going to share with you the single most important video I've ever done because I'm going to cover the #1 tip for hypothyroidism and diet. You know, I was first impacted on how important food was for someone that had hypothyroidism when my wife was recovering from thyroid cancer and her thyroidectomy. After doing research after, conventional medicine failed her, I needed to find something natural that would work. And so I told her to take one food out of her diet. And in a matter of 2 weeks, she lost 8 pounds and regained her energy, to the point where she was able to start to play with the kids again. So this was a huge emotional victory for us. So you're probably wondering, what is this food that you told your wife to stop eating? This food I'm talking about is gluten. And what I'm referring to is the protein in gluten and wheat, what we refer to as gliadin. And it's everywhere. It's ubiquitous. It's in pastas, it's in breads, crackers, dips, chips, even frozen foods. But it's important that you remove it from your diet because what we're finding out through research is that when people with hypothyroidism eat gluten, it causes the body to attack the thyroid. And so we really want to stop that from occurring. So you need to get that out of your diet. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to suggest that you not only take gluten out of your diet, I'm going to suggest you take all grains out of your diet. Why? Because you're going to be tempted to eat some of these processed gluten-free foods that are really just foodstuffs and contains other genetically modified grains such as corn and soy. And at some point you probably will have a reaction to those as well. You need to give your body and your thyroid nutrients so the thyroid can thrive and not being starved from the foodstuff. So you need to eat vegetables and fruits and proteins and stay away from the rest of this stuff. Again, think of it as a prescription and not just a diet. I've got an acronym for diet and it goes like this: deliberately identified as an eating trend. And this is no eating trend if you have hypothyroidism. Food needs to be your medicine. So hopefully this served you well, and remember, put this to work for you. Just don't watch the video and gather all this information. Start using it, and that's when you're going to start feeling better. So again, hopefully this served you well. Until next time, eat well and be well.